Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin D3 capsules. First, understand that vitamin D3, also known as cholecalciferol, is a fat-soluble vitamin crucial for many bodily processes. It plays a key role in helping your body absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. When your diet or sun exposure isn't enough, capsules offer a convenient way to ensure you get this vital nutrient. Determining the right dosage is important. Most adults generally need between 600 and 800 international units daily, though some individuals might benefit from 1,000 to 4,000 international units. Since vitamin D3 is fat-soluble, taking your capsule with a meal that includes healthy fats, like avocado or nuts, significantly enhances its absorption. The most important thing is to take it consistently, ideally around the same time every day, to establish a routine. Beyond bone health, vitamin D3 offers several other benefits. It's known to support robust muscle function and a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off illness. Some research also suggests a positive impact on mood and even cardiovascular health. However, individual needs vary, so it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. They can help assess your current vitamin D levels and recommend the appropriate dosage for you. Proper storage ensures your vitamin D3 capsules remain effective. Keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, ideally in their original container. While generally safe, taking too much vitamin D3 can lead to side effects such as nausea, vomiting, or muscle weakness, so always follow dosage instructions. If you experience any unusual symptoms, contact your doctor. And speaking of staying healthy, check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.